Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of rebuilding my Yamaha R6 for the 5SL conversion. Episode 4 I believe we are now. If you like this sort of content and how-to videos and all that sort of stuff, please like and subscribe, and give us a comment or whatever. It all helps all the algorithms and stuff, doesn't it? So that'd be great. But more into it right now. This is as far as we got pretty much last time. We've got engine and in the frame and suspension on basically. So I've got the riser clip-on clamps loosely fitted. They may still have to come off. I don't know if I've put them on the right way around or anything yet. So but either way, they're on there for just in case, and make sure they fitted as well. We have got some fresh new stainless exhaust studs and nuts to go in, because today we're going to fit the exhaust. It's all like a load of boring little bits today. Like I'm going to refit the subframe back on, so it's going to be a bit of a time-lapsey sort of video. I'll try and keep it fairly short and sweet. I'm going to try and get my alley rad on and the rest of my hoses, but all the little bits like kickstand, got my subframe here. I still need to paint my front fairing stay, so I can't do that right now. But it's all about starting to put it back together now. Either way, we're going to get on with it. I'm going to stick you on a time lapse. We're going to start by chucking the subframe on and bits and pieces, so we'll get on with that. Right, yeah, so there's been quite a bit of time lapse, I think, so I'm just going to break it up a little bit. I'm going to do one of the nice shiny bits. I'm going to transfer my rad over now. I've just dug this out from up at the loft. I do believe this is my old radiator, because this has been painted and I did paint my old one. So I'm going to remove the fan. We don't need these clips, because the new rad has some, but it doesn't have any of the rubbers or anything, so we're just salvaging all the grommets and bits and pieces from the old one before we transfer over the nice new shiny. If parts of my conversation are cut out or jittery, not jittery, sort of don't really make sense from time to time, it's because I have cut a section out, because when I do watch this back it seems a lot longer than when I'm actually filming it. I know you guys don't want to sit around, oh, I'm not finished with that. I know you guys don't want to sit around watching the whole process, because it does take a long time, doesn't it? So, sensor off. We've got another rubber grommet on the lower. There you go. Dun, dun, dun. Look at that. Nice alley racing rad. Basically means probably won't fit, but we'll give it a go. Those grommets were tight, very tight. I can't be bothered to get the right size spanner. It's only going to be nipped up as well, anyway, isn't it? Yeah, see. Right. I wonder if this is going to leak or not, because it's actually a different design. It's actually with an O-ring, and the sensor isn't designed to have an O-ring, so we shall see. If it does leak, then I'll just reseal it with some like PTFE tape or something. Now the fan. Oops. See, there would be one thing, wouldn't there, that didn't fit quite right. I thought it was going a bit too easy. Those tabs are just out of alignment. This one needs quite a bit of adjustment there. To be honest, what I might even do is just cut that out of there and then just nut and bolt, wash, put the bolt through with a washer. There we go. Pull these caps off. I'm going to also keep these because these will be handy for me. Let's get to fitting. maxi hoses now. The remaining off. 3 to go. There we go. This one's from the oil cooler to the bottom of the rad. Then we got top of the rad and very bottom. So we'll get these on, shall we? I hope I've got enough Jubilee clips. Right guys, I've screwed up. Basically from the last scene forward, all the footage, no audio. I ain't clever enough to do the old voiceovers and all that sort of stuff. I haven't got microphones and all that stuff anyway. But whatever, let's just move on from it. There's always a cock up in one of my videos at some point along the line. So I'm just going to run you through what we've done. Which is a shame because I filmed a lot of this. As you can see, it's quite nicely well, yeah, we've moved forward quite a bit. So first things first, I did strip my nose cones down, and some previous repairs here which have held out for years have now failed. So I've got to redo those. So I've just got to find the plastic to repair that. I've got the good old Q-Bond which repairs all, which leads me to this nose cone which was a little bit broken. Apologies for the camera, by the way. I'm literally holding just the camera because in the middle of editing I've realised that this problem has happened. So late night now, I've just quickly grabbed the camera. We are literally days later. Everything that I filmed took days because life gets in the way, doesn't it? But yeah, I've done a little repair there with a Q-Bond and some of these mounting brackets. I think 2 of them. That one there and that one there. Solid as a rock. These repairs when you do with Q-Bond. So that's ready to go. I was going to fit the headlight up, but then obviously these broke on me and I didn't have any plastic to replace them. I've polished the lenses up and there is still some scratching in there, but the stuff I've got is not that abrasive, so I'm going to get some better polishing compound for these and go over them a bit more, but they look decent enough to fit and use, so that's that. We've got quite far with the bike. We've painted the front fairing stay, fitted all the dials, air rams, the Brembo RCS master cylinder. There's still some adjustments I need to do because this hits on here, so I need to twist this around a bit. Got my switch gear on. The clip-ons are sort of temporary fitted because I need to get all the fairing on to make, you know, and ideally front wheel to set these and make sure that they don't hit anything because they are so fully adjustable. You want to make sure that you don't hit anything or anything fouls up when you're turning lock to lock and all that, or stop to stop as it is on a bike. All the rest of our hoses are on. We're all about ready to go. Sorry, it may be a bit dark. Let me just grab my torch. There we go. Right. Yeah, so this is looking all pretty sweet now. I'm going to tidy up the wiring a little bit before we get ready, but all we need is a battery, which I've got down there. Just need to charge it up. Hopefully it'll hold a charge. If not, I just have to order another one. I've got to go through my carbs, which are here, which are looking in a bit of a sorry state. So if we just go over to those, next video is going to be on these and fitting these and sort of pretty much trying to get the bike running. Yeah, they're all right. They just need some bit of love and a bit of attention, yeah, just to clean them up. I haven't got an ultrasonic cleaner. I do have at work, but we haven't got any of the fluid for it, and I can't be bothered to buy it, to be honest. So I'm just going to give them a good scrub up, strip down and scrub up, blow all the jets out and all that sort of stuff, and get these back on the bike and get the bike running. It'll be good to hear her run, to be honest. It'll be good to hear her run. Oh yeah, another thing, these cheap old bar end things, they always come with this, like, you know, end bit on them, which never sits into the handlebars and ends up leaving you a massive gap between the grip and this. So I'm in the middle of chopping that off. The only problem is I thought I had my hacksaw here and I don't. It's at work, and it's been about the third day now. I keep forgetting to bring the bloody hacksaw home. So but anyway, enough waffle. Just wanted to kind of explain my mistake and do a quick walk around the bike. I'm starting to get some carbon on now as well. Carbon. Oh guys, I've done it again. Lost footage, corrupt footage. Well, this camera's fucked. It really is. It's a GoPro Hero 7. It's pretty old now, so I'm just gonna have to upgrade it. It's not getting. It's just almost useless. We're quite a few days on now. I've been editing the video. It's taken me a while because life gets in the way. As you know, I run 2 jobs. I've got a family. Bike and YouTube kind of get the back burner sometimes. But anyway, I'm gonna have to re-record the ending of this video because it's just lost, and rather than it just suddenly ending from the last cutscene that you saw, I might as well just record another little bit. So we're on bar ends. We've got the bar ends on now, because like I say, it's a few days later. I've got the ends cut off and filed down and stuff, and they're on there properly. The tank is on there just temporarily. I did have it chilling outside, and with the weather getting bad now, I just don't want it out there. I managed to fix this fuel cap, because I was getting a problem with it before where the bike was starting to run weird and run a bit funny, and I'd have to release the pressure off the cap. And what it was there's a tiny little hole just in here, and it was sealed up. It was full of like mastic and stuff, and where someone, because I got this off another bike, didn't buy it new, someone who had fitted it to a bike before had like sealed the seal on with mastic, and you're not supposed to do that. It needs to be able to breathe. So I sorted that out. I'm gonna go and get my rear sets and that polished later. The next video is going to be on the carbs, and hopefully maybe trying to get it running, so that'd be good. I will try and get more videos out and more consistently. I do apologise, like I say, it's not top of my priority list at the moment. I don't obviously get paid for this. I run 2 jobs. Life's a struggle like it is for everyone, and so I just don't get to do it all the time. But please like and subscribe if you're liking the content that I am doing. Hit the bell notification, because then when I do upload a video, you'll get notified of it. You won't have to like check in every once in a while to see that I've uploaded or not. But that being said and that being done, thanks for everything guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.